Good morning, dear students. This is Mahendra Kumar Verma, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research, Indore. Today we will learn something about the joins available in structured query language. So we will go through the definition part, then we will learn about the types of joins, which includes inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So joins are nothing but it is used to combine the rows from two or more tables whenever we want to connect to tables available in database management system. So based on some related column we will join them. Basically MySQL joins are used with the select statement. We will have the queries for the same. Joins can be used to retrieve the data from the multiple tables, and it must be used whenever you need to fetch the records from more than two tables. So first of all, let us go through the inner join. Definitely the inner join returns the record that have matching values in both the table. Observe the diagram given over here. We have taken table 1 and table 2. So inner join will return the matching records only. Let us take the example. Here we are having two tables, employee table and department table. You can observe that in employee table we are having the employee ID, employee name and employee address as the column, and definitely the employee ID is the primary key in the employee table, whereas in the table of department we are having department ID, department name and employee ID, where the employee ID is the foreign key, and we want to join these both tables with the help of inner join. So inner join will return all the record which are having match in both the table. So how this particular inner join will work with the help of query, let us look at the same. Here the query for the inner join is given. You can observe that I have used the select statement. As I have already told you, joins can be used with the select statement, so I have used the select statement. After select, I am using the star, which can fetch all the records available with the condition. Then I have taken the employee and the department table. I just want to join both the tables with the help of inner join, so I'm using the inner join word. Then I'm using the word on, and after the on I'm using the condition of matching. So I'm matching the employee ID of both the table from employee table as well as the department table. So you can observe that I'm getting the matching records from both the table as the output of the inner join query. So these are the matching record basically. Now let us proceed with the left outer join. So left outer join is used to fetch the records from left table as well as the matching record from the right table which are matching with the left table also. So if there is no match, we will get nothing, means we will get the null value. So diagram itself is showing the concept. So let us learn this particular with the help of S. So again I am having both the table which I have already used in previous type of join, that is inner join. Now in case of left outer join, after joining both the table we will get all the records from the left table and only the matching records from the right table. And if there is no match found in both the table, the result will contain nulls, but these nulls will be coming from the column from the right table. So let us take the query and we will observe the output. So you can observe this particular query. In this query I am using select statement and star for getting all the records available from both the tables under the condition. Employee and department which are highlighted as bold are the names of the table. I'm using the left join, and employee ID is equal to department ID is the matching condition. So you can observe that I'm getting all the records from the left table and only the matching record from the right table, and if no match is found, we will get the null from the right table. Observe the record of employee ID E3. Pooja, which is having the employee address as Chandigarh, is having null values because its match is not available in the right table. Next is the right outer join. You can observe the diagram given over here. In case of right outer join, we will get all the records from the right table and only the matching records from the left table, and if no match found, we will not get any of the record, means we will get the null value. So again I am taking both the tables, employee and department table, and as I have already told you that we will get the records, all the records from the right table and only the matching record from the left table, and in case of if we don't get any match, the result will get the null values from the left table. So its query is given over here. Observe the query, and the output after execution of the query is shown over here. We are getting all the records from the left table, all the records from the right table and the matching record of the left table, and match is found, that's why we are not getting any type of null over here. This is the right join. Now next is the full outer join. It is different from all remaining joins which we have already covered. So full outer join will return all matching records from the left table and the right table, and it will return the matching records from both the tables if there is match or not. As the diagram is already explaining the concept, let us observe the query given over here. Again I am taking the employee table and the department table. So at the execution of the query, we will get the all records from the left table, we will get the all records from the right table, and the query will return all the records that have matching values in both the tables, and if no match found, we will get the null. So let us see the result. You can see I have already executed the query, that is select star from employee. I am using full outer join with the department, and the matching condition is employee.employee ID is equal to department.employee ID. So you can see we are getting all the records from both the tables, and we are having null values at the position where no match is found. So that's all about the joins available in DBMS, which can work with the structured query language. So let us summarize all the joins at once. So you can see inner join will return only the matching records in both the tables. Left outer join will provide us the all the records from the left table and matching record from the right table. Of course we will get null if no match found. Same thing is applicable to the right outer join. We will get all the records from the right table and matching record only from the left table, and of course we will get the null if no match is found. And in case of full outer join, we will get all the records from both the table as well as we will get null if matching is not there. So that's all about for the joins available in DBMS.